Hi everybody, it's me Sai and I'm making another YouTube video. Today's YouTube video is about an app I made. It's called the Study and Play app. First I'll show you how I designed the app. So when I went to design, first you have to define your app. So my app is to for people to study and play. And then I designed my app. So I chose kind of like a lemonade screen because I like lemonade. So then first I put a button. So the ID for the play button is play, and the ID for the study button is study. But today I'm not going to show you about the study button. Today I'll show you about the play button. So then I chose then that was the end of my designing, except I put an image. So I took this image block, I put the image. So when you go here, and then I went to choose image, and then I chose the file that this picture was in. So after that, we started coding the app. So first, when I run the app, I have to click play because I didn't do any coding for study yet. So I click play, and then whenever you click this button, it's gonna increase your score. But every time you don't click the button, it's gonna decrease your score every second. So you have to be really quick. So now I'll show you the coding of this. So first, the coding I did was set screen to main screen because when you go in the app that has different screens, it's all gonna first show you the main screen. This is my main screen to choose study or play. So in the play there's a score. So I had to put a variable block that will keep my score. So when you go here, it's gonna when I run and I press play, my score is gonna start counting down since I didn't press the button. Okay. Now we had to go start whenever I click the play button, take me to play screen. So on event, when play clicked, set screen to play screen, and then that's how I got, changed the screen. But now I'll show you how to play the game, like how I coded the game. So first I put an on event block in an on event block. So in the on event, I said when the play button clicked, which is the box that I clicked, so I can gain a point. Set property to play button color, background color, and this is a background color. Because since whenever you click the button, it's going to change its color to make the game kind of like amazing. So I chose the random background color. This is where it shows a random number. Wait. So I put the number meaning like what color. Each color has 256 shades. So I chose 3 colors, which is red, green, and blue, or red, yellow, blue. And then I put this as 256 shades. So the computer will choose a random shade of from 256 shades. So now I had to set position of the play button, and because whenever you click the play button, it should go in a different spot to make the game hard. So I set position to the play button, random number. So I'm trying to keep it in the screen, so that's why I chose 17. And then 200 means it'll move anywhere 200 pixels. And then random number, which is the same, but this time it'll move like up and down. This is for up and down. This is for right and left. Okay. And then I kept this 40 because first when I put this block it showed 100, but that made the box really big. So 40 is how big the box is supposed to be. So now it's time to show you how I coded the score. So first I put a variable block. See, when you go to variables, I chose the third variable block. So I put score equal to score plus 1. This is when I click the button and I gain a point. And so then I set that number in the label score. See, let's go to my play screen. And then this is the label score. It's going to be invisible to you, but whenever I hover on it, it's going to show play score. Label score, sorry. So whenever I click the button, it's going to increase the score. So then now I had to make the score decrease every 1 second. So then I used a time loop. So that's where I put another on event. So I put this in the and the second on event that's in another on event. So then I put the same thing again, but instead of putting an addition math block, I put a subtraction math block. Here you can find the addition, subtraction, and multiplication and division. So then I put the subtraction block, and then I put score here. It because the variable is score. So whenever I don't click the block, it should score -1. So if I have a 1 here, every second it's gonna subtract by 1, by 1, by 1. So then we had to do the same thing I did over here again, set number on the label score. So that's the end of the coding part. So now I'll show you a demo of the game. I'm not done with it. In another video, I'll show you the study part. So let's play. See, it's decreasing every second, so you gotta be fast. Super hard, but it's still fun, challenging. Okay, that's the end of my game. Bye. Have a great day.